Are you looking for an easy and elegant dress to sew? In this tutorial, we're going to sew the Orla dress from scratch. The dress features a gentle high-waisted silhouette that snugs nicely just under the bust. The adjustable shoulder strap tie is very comfortable and adds a chic design element. Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju, the creator of this channel to help you buy less, sew more, make DIY clothing. I use the light to medium weight linen fabric, but you can also use cotton, polyblend cotton, or linen solid or print as alternatives. So be creative when selecting fabric. To sew fish darts on the dress, turn the front dress right side facing each other and fold along the center front. Use a pin to poke a hole to mark the fish dart location on the sewing pattern. Flip the sewing pattern wrong side up and pin through the hole to mark the points with water erasable pen. Use a straight ruler and connect the points. Do the same on the other side. Fold the fish darts in half lengthwise and pin along the pen line. Straight stitch from the fish dart notch and end at the point without locking back and forth. Instead, double tie both ends. Press the fish darts toward the side seam and set aside. Turn the back dress right side facing each other to mark the fish darts. Use a pin to poke a hole to mark the fish dart location on the right side of the sewing pattern. Flip the sewing pattern wrong side up and pin through the hole to mark the points. Use a ruler to connect the points. Do the same on the other side. Fold the fish darts in half lengthwise and pin along the pen line. Straight stitch from the fish dart notch and end at the point without locking back and forth. Instead, double tie both ends. Press the fish darts toward the side seam and set aside. To sew skirt on the dress, place right side of back dress facing right side of front dress together. Close both side seams with 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance and overlock to finish. Next, overlock the center back seams separately on the right and left pieces to insert the invisible zipper later. To sew top part on the dress, place right side of front top facing each other and straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width starting from center front to armhole. Flip the front top piece inside out and give a nice steam press. Next, place right side of back top facing each other and straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width starting center back to armhole. Flip the back top piece inside out and give a steam press. On the front top, adjust the stitch length to 3.5 to 4.0 and straight stitch 1/8 of an inch away from cut line between the notches. Gently pull the thread to create gathering on both front top pieces. Place right side of front top and right side of back top facing each other. Close the side seam with 3/8 of an inch seam allowance and finish with the overlock stitch. Then, overlock at center back of back top for later inserting invisible zipper. To sew shoulder strap tie dress, place the right side of top and right side of top dress facing each other. Start pinning at the center front to the center back on each side. Adjust the underbust gathering if needed to match the notch so it is equal distance to each other. Straight stitch 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance and overlock to finish. Tuck the seam allowance toward the hem and press. To sew invisible zipper on the dress, fold the dress in half so the right sides are facing each other and center back seam is aligned. Measure from top edge 14 inches down and pin both layers. This will be your starting point to close the center back seam. Straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width from the pin to the hem and press seam open. Measure from the start of the zipper 14 inches down and mark the zipper tooth with a pin 1 inches away. Stitch back and forth to make a stop at 14 inches long and cut the zipper at the 15 inches mark. Open the zipper and place the right side of the zipper to the right side of the dress and pin along the zipper tape to make it easy to sew. Change the sewing machine to zipper foot and start sewing the zipper tape on both sides. press the zipper opening to finish. To complete the Orla dress, overlock stitch the raw edges of the hemline. Measure 1 inch width, fold the hemline inside and pin around the dress opening. 1/8 of an inch width edge top stitch around the hem and press the new hemline. Give a nice press all around the dress and tie the straps along the shoulder to enjoy your finished Orla dress. Thank you for watching. Hope this video inspires you to make the Orla dress with me. If you like this sewing tutorial video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next sewing challenge. Scroll down to the description below to locate the Orla dress sewing pattern. Additionally, you can find step-by-step picture instructions on the website for you to follow. Share your DIY dress on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial to get featured and follow us for more inspiration. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!